We'll discuss about the preparation of salad. It is actually a process. We are about to describe a process. There is a flow chart in the upcoming slides. Do watch and listen. First, cleaning and slicing cucumber. So we start. Salad is a tasty food. At first, cucumbers are cleaned and then sliced. Next, slicing of onions. Then, onions are sliced. After that, tomatoes are cut and mint leaves are chopped. Then, chilies are mixed. Lemons are squeezed on the salad. Now, salt and pepper are mixed. At last, salad oil is mixed for flavor. The salad is being tossed. Now it is ready to be served.